Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix TikTok comments not loading. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did, I closed my TikTok app and instead I went into my settings app. So go into your settings app and in here you're going to double check so that you actually are using Wi-Fi, either Wi-Fi or if you have mobile data. But if you're using Wi-Fi, what you can do is to just quickly actually enable your airplane mode and then quickly disable it basically, because it's just going to reestablish a new connection with your Wi-Fi and it might give you like a little bit better signal, just so you know. And sometimes this can actually fix this problem right away. If you're still having problems with comments not loading, what you can also do is to just go into the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here, we're just going to search for TikTok in here, as you can see. So just search for TikTok. Then scroll down in here. And as you can see, if you have this update button in here, it can be like a blue update button. Make sure that you actually click on the update button because you will need to actually have the latest TikTok update to potentially fix this problem, just so you know. So try this and try to update it to the latest version. Then go back into your TikTok app and hopefully now it's working for you.